We'll guide you through how to convert your notes to a PDF using ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Now, you need to have your notes ready. You can either copy and paste your notes into the ChatGPT interface or simply type them in directly. Once your notes are in the chat, ask ChatGPT to format them as a PDF. You can do this by typing a message like, "Can you convert this text into a PDF?" The AI will process your request and provide you with a downloadable link to the PDF file. Click on this link to download the PDF to your computer. If you want to add additional formatting or customize the appearance of your PDF, you can mention that in your initial request. For example, you can specify if you want bullet points, bold headings, or any other specific formatting. This is a great way to quickly and easily convert notes into a professionally formatted PDF without the need for additional software. Remember to save your PDF in a location where you can easily find it later, like your desktop or a specific folder. This method is particularly useful for students or professionals who need to share notes in a clean, organized format. And there you have it, a simple way to convert your notes into a PDF using ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.